Hello children, hope all of you are safe and fine. Today we are going to learn about the use of can or cannot. Can. Can is used to show ability to do something, to request, to ask permission or to offer help to someone. When we are able to do something or we request for something or we want any permission, then we use can. Cannot. Cannot describes an action as impossible or not allowed. Now let us see some examples of using can or cannot. First example, look at the picture. The boy is want to read the book. So the sentence is I can read English books. Look at the picture. The boy can play the football. So the sentence is I can play football. Next, alcohol can cause cancer. Next one, using mask can prevent us from coronavirus. As we all know that coronavirus is spread all over the world, so using mask can prevent us from the coronavirus. Next, aeroplane can play. As you see in the picture, aeroplane is able to fly in the sky, so we can write aeroplane can fly. Next, can I use your pencil please? He want to ask permission from someone to use his or her pencil. Can I dance with you? The girl is asking permission from someone to dance with him or her. So he can say, can I dance with you? Now birds can fly. Monkey can climb on the trees. As we all know, monkeys are able to climb on the tree. So we can write monkey can climb on trees. Next, look at the picture. Boat can swim in the water. Look, the butterfly is flying. So we can write butterflies can fly. Peacock can dance. As you see in the picture, peacock is able to dance. So we can write peacock can dance. I cannot swim without swimming tube. As you see in the picture, the boy is not able to swim without the tube. So we can say, so the boy is saying, I cannot swim without swimming tube. The small little girl want to cook something but she cannot. So the sentence is I cannot cook. Train cannot run on road. It can run on tracks only. As we all know, train runs on track. So the sentence is train cannot run on the road. It can run on track only. I cannot pluck apples from tree. Hope all of you understood the use of can or cannot. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.